Class 6 NCERT Maths, page 3. Try these problems. 1. Use these given digits without repetition. Without repetition means each digit should not be repeated more than once. Okay. And make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. Let us see the problem. Digits. 5 problems are given. First one is 1A 2874. To write the greatest 4-digit number, arrange the digits in descending order. So we get 8, 7, 4, 2. We know very well descending order is arrangement of numbers from the greatest to the smallest. So we will write greatest number 8 in first place, next largest number 7 in second place, next largest number 4 in third place, and the remaining number 2 will take the last place. Okay, the same condition will be applied in all other problems also to make greatest 4-digit number. Okay, let us see 9, 7, 4, 1. While arranging them in descending order, they are already in descending order. 9, next largest 7, next 4, next 1. So 9741. For 4750, largest or greatest 4-digit number is 7, 5, 4, 0. See, the digits are arranged in descending order. Next 1, 7, 6, 2. Greatest number is, largest digit is 7, next largest 6, next largest 2, next largest is 1. Okay, next 5403. Out of these 4 digits, 5 is largest, so 5 takes first place. Next largest is 4, next largest is 3, next largest is 0, or the last digit is 0. So 5430 is the greatest 4-digit number. Let us see the smallest 4-digit number. To write smallest 4-digit number, we have to arrange all the numbers in ascending order, which means arrangement of numbers from the smallest to the greatest. What is the smallest digit? 2. Next smallest 4. Next smallest 7. Next smallest 8. So 2478 is the smallest 4-digit number. Similarly, we get 1479 is the smallest 4-digit number for problem 1B. Next is, see, this is a peculiar case. Here 4 is bigger than 0, but we have written 4 in first place. Why? If we put 0 in first place, 4, 5, 7 are following 0, then 0457 is a 3-digit number. It will not be a 4-digit number. So what can we do? Put 0 in second place. Then which number should be taken? Should be taken the first place. The next big number to 0, which is 4 here, will take the first place. So 4057 is the smallest 4-digit number. Similarly, we get 3045, problem 1E. Okay. 1D. While arranging 1762 in ascending order, we get 1, 2, 6 and then 7. So 1267 is the smallest 4-digit number. Now, make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers by using any 1 digit twice, which means we are given 3 digits only, but we have to make 4-digit numbers. What is the condition given here? You can use any 1 digit 2 times. Okay, so digits are given 3, 8, 7. Using any 1 digit twice, greatest 4-digit number is 8873. Listen carefully. The largest digit is 8. So, write big number 2 times to make greatest number. So 8, 8. The next largest number is digit is 7. So 7 takes the third place. Then 3 takes the last place. Okay. Similarly, 905 gives you 9, 9. 9 is the largest number, so write it twice. 99. Next largest number 5. Next 0. 9950. Then 1, 2C. 9 is a big number, so 9940. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Then for this problem, 8, 5 and 1, 8851 is the greatest 4-digit number. What about smallest 4-digit number? You cannot write the ulta of greatest 4-digit number. Okay. You cannot write the greatest 4-digit number in a reverse order. Okay. Then what else can we do? Start from smallest digit, writing 2 times. Here smallest digit is 3, so write it 2 times, 33. Next smallest 7, next smallest is 8. Then smallest digit is 0, but you should not write 0 in first place. Okay, so write 0 in second place. As we have to use one digit twice, we can use smallest digit 2 times to get a smaller number. So write double zeros in the middle. Next smallest is 5. So 5 takes first place. Then 9 in the last place. So 5009 is the smallest 5-digit number. You should not write 5059 or 5099. They are obviously greater than 5009. Okay. Similarly, for this problem with the digits 049, you should not write 0 in first place. Write 0 twice in the middle. The next smaller number is 4. So write 4 in first place. Automatically 9 takes the last place. So 4009. Next 1158 is the smallest 4-digit number by using 1 2 times. See, use big number twice to make greatest number. Use small positive number twice to make smallest number. What do you mean by positive? Number greater than 0 is called positive. Do not use 0 in first place. These are the important notes. Make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers by using any 4 different digits with conditions as given. Already a given condition is given in the question itself. What? You have to use any 4 different digits. Okay. Digits are not given. You have to use by yourself. And for each subdivision, there is another condition. For 3A, there is the second condition is digit 7. 7 is always at a ones place. So 7 is written in ones place. Then greatest and smallest. You have to write by your own. Okay. So the numbers you are writing will be comparable. One should be the greatest, one should be the smallest. You can choose the digits as you wish. Okay. I have written here. This is the example problem given in the textbook. 9, 8, 6, 7 greatest number and smallest number 1027. See, we have not used the same digits in finding greatest and smallest numbers. Okay. So, you can use any 4 different digits along with this condition. What about 3B? Digit 4 is always at a tens place. So you can use any other digits in for any other places, but 4 should always take tens place. Ones, tens. So 4 takes the third place. So I have taken some other digits as I wished. 9, 6, 4, 1. Smallest 1, 6, 4, 9. While writing by your own digits, beware of the greatest and smallest. Okay. 9641 is greater than 1649. Okay. Always double check your answer before submitting your answer sheet. Digit 9 is always at hundreds place. So one more condition is any 4 given digits should be used, and 9 is always at hundreds place. So here 9 is written in black color in hundreds place. The remaining digits are filled 874. So 8974. The smallest 2905 2905. The last problem is digit 1 is always at thousands. So greatest number 1 is 987 and smallest number 1702. You can write 1000 also for the smallest 4 digit number. Okay. The 4 digit number cannot begin with the digit 0. Why? If you start with 0, then the number will become 3 digit number only. Take any 2 digits, say 2 and 3. Make 4 digit numbers. See, we are given only 2 digits, but we have to make 4 digit numbers using both the digits equal number of times. So only 2 digits are given. They should be used to make 4 digit numbers. Another condition is each digit should be used equal number of times. If you use 2 only once, 3 also should be used only once. If you use 2 times, then 3 also should be used 2 times. If you use 2 3 times, then you should use 3 also 3 times. But we have only one chance writing 2 times and 3 times to make 4 digit numbers. Okay, let us make the numbers. Start with 2. While 2 takes first place, we have chances of 2 taking the second place or 3 taking the second place. While 2 is taking second place, already 2 are taken 2 times, so next 2 digits will be 3. If 3 is in second place, we have 2 chances. What are they? If 2 is in first place and 3 is in second place, the third place can be either 3 or 2. So obviously, in the first choice, 2 is used once, 3 is used twice. So last digit is 2 only. So now 2 times 2, 3 times 2 times 3 are used. Similarly, 2, 3, 2, last digit is 3. So we have got 3 numbers with 2 times and 3 2 times. Well, starting with 3, the second number can be either 2 or 3. If the second digit is 2, we have 2 options. The third digit can be either 3 or 2. If third digit is 3, fourth is 2. If third digit is 2, fourth is 3. Then first digit is 3, second digit is 3 means the last 2 digits must be 2 only. So 3, 3, 2, 2. So how many ways are possible? 6 ways are possible. Write all the numbers 2, 2, 3, 3. This combination. Then 2, 3, 2, 3. This combination. 2, 3, 3, 2. It's here. 3, 2, 3, 2. This combination. 3, 3, 2, 2. Here. And 3, 2, 2, 3. The last combination. Okay. Now, which is the greatest number? Greatest number is 3322. Which is the smallest number? 2233. How many different numbers can you make in all? See, we were able to make 6 different numbers. Okay. See, 2332 is a single number, single 4-digit number. So, in that way, we have made 6 4-digit numbers. Okay. Thank you.